Hello all. Topic of this video session is classification of operations research models. As we have studied in earlier sessions, model is defined as a representation of an actual object or situation. The main objective of a model is to provide means for analyzing the behavior of the system for the purpose of improving its performance. Operations research models are classified based on various criteria. Classification of OR models by method of solution. This classification is based on how we solve the problem and obtain the solution. There are two types in this category. First type is analytical model, which has a specific mathematical structure and hence can be solved by analytical or mathematical techniques. Examples of analytical models are general linear programming model, structured transportation and assignment models. Next type is simulation model. Simulation modeling is the process of creating and analyzing a digital prototype of a physical model to predict its performance in the real world. Simulation modeling is used to help designers and engineers understand whether, under what conditions, and in which ways a part could fail and what loads it can withstand. This provides valuable solutions by giving clear insights into complex systems. Next is classification by use of digital computers. The development of digital computer has led to the following types of modeling in OR. There are four types of models in this category. First is combined analog and mathematical model. Graphs are very simple analogs and mathematical models use symbols to represent decision variables. Some analog models can be expressed in terms of mathematical symbols and they are called analog models or symbolic models. For example, managers use this type of models to simulate their decisions by summarizing the activities of industry in a scaled down period. Second is function model. Here, models are grouped based on the function being performed. For example, a function may help scientists understand tables with data, blueprint of layouts, program representing sequence of operations, etc. Third type is quantitative model and is used to measure the observations. For example, degree of temperature, yardstick, a unit of measurement of length, etc. Examples of quantitative model are transformation models, which are used to convert one measurement to another scale like centigrade versus Fahrenheit. Test models, which are standards for comparing the measurements like a specified standard production control, the quality of medicine, etc. Fourth type is heuristic model. A heuristic is a mental shortcut that allows people to solve problems and make judgments quickly and efficiently. These rule of thumb strategies shorten decision making time. In operations research, this model is used to explore alternate strategies, but they do not assure to give best solution. Another classification of OR models is based on degree of abstraction. Degree of abstraction is the amount of complexity by which a system is viewed. The higher the level, the less detail. The lower the level, the more detail. The highest level of abstraction is the entire system. In this category, there are two types of models. A language model may use standardized keywords accompanied by parameters or natural language terms and phrases to make computer interpretable expressions. When we speak or write, we describe some event. A commentator of a cricket match who is giving event details or examples of language models. Even more abstract than the language model is mathematical model. It is used to represent system with well-defined strategies and needs mathematical training and considerable concentration to get the idea of the real life situation it is representing. For example, linear programming formulation of the product mix problem. Next classification is by extent of generality. Generality is a general statement that covers a range of things rather than being concerned with specific instances. There are two models based on this criteria. A specific model. When a model presents a system at a specific time, it is called specific model and are applicable under specific conditions only. Example, sales response curve or equation as a function of advertising is applicable in the marketing function alone. General model is one which does not apply in one situation only. Rather, it has got general applications. For example, linear programming model is known as a general model since it can be used for product mix, production scheduling, marketing, transportation, and assignment problems. Thank you.